Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the marketing universe to explore a question that's been on everyone's mind. Email marketing versus social media marketing. So grab your favorite snacks, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First up, we've got the classic email marketing. Imagine having a direct line to your audience inbox. It's like having a one-to-one conversation with your subscribers. But is it the reigning champ in the marketing arena? Let's discuss this further. Now let's shift gears to the vibrant world of social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, provide a playground for businesses to connect with their audience. But does it steal the spotlight from email? Let's continue to discuss. It's the battle of the titans. Let's weigh the pros and cons. From reach and visibility to targeting and personalization, we're dissecting the strengths and weaknesses of both strategies. So, which one aligns with your business goals? Here are the key points. As we navigate through this marketing labyrinth, it's evident that both email marketing and social media marketing bring unique strengths to the table. Email, with its personalized touch and high conversion rates, crafts a tailored narrative for your audience. On the flip side, social media, a bustling hub of engagement and community, amplifies your brand's voice to a broader audience. But, and here's the real secret sauce, the magic lies in synergy. Combining the precision of email marketing with the expansive reach of social media marketing. This creates a powerful strategy. It's not a question of either or, but rather a harmonious dance between the two. So, my friends, the verdict is clear. Embrace the duality. Leverage the intimacy of emails for targeted communication and ride the waves of social media to amplify your brand's message. The sweet spot lies in finding the delicate balance that aligns with your unique business objectives. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, adaptability is key. Experiment, analyze, and refine your approach to discover what works best for your brand. Remember, the true beauty of marketing lies in its ability to evolve alongside the ever-changing preferences of your audience. So go ahead, craft your winning strategy and let your brand shine. Happy marketing, and I'll catch you in the next one. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.